Guys, if you're missing in your PTE exam and if you're not really sure what the reason is, if you have tried each and everything and you feel like giving up, you have taken a number of attempts, you're missing by 1 or 2 points, you're not really sure what the reason is, you have to watch this video and listen to this guy, Thejeswar. He has smashed his PTE exam with a perfect 90 in writing, 87 in listening, 81 in speaking and reading as well. Congratulations, Thejeswar. You are an inspiration personally for me as well. Let's start this way. It was a very long journey, right? You took a number of attempts. Considering the fact that your hold on grammar and English is very good, right? We were not getting the score. Every time from last 6 or 7 attempts, we were missing in one or the other section by 1, 2 or 3 points. And you were doing each and everything perfect. And guys, believe me, there was one time when it was very hard to believe in ourselves as well, right? We were almost about to give up hope, but this is one thing I am very proud about Thejeswar, that he didn't give up. The day he used to get the score, even he used to miss by 1 or 2 points, he used to show up in the lab the very next day. And it's something which inspires me a lot and should inspire a lot of you out there as well. I would like to ask you, Thejeswar, what kept you going on? What gave you hope when everything was negative? When we took a number of mock tests, number of PT official mock tests, we tried each and everything, but we were not getting the score. What kept you going on, Thejeswar?
I would like to thank first Language Academy for helping me a lot with my PTE to crack my test, and yeah, especially Varun sir, because he helped me a lot personally. I mean, regarding the PTE test, mock tests which have been conducted in the lab, and it really helped me for that, because each time I miss with 1 or 2 marks in reading, but I don't know where am I going wrong, because even I do all the tasks like perfectly all right. Some of the questions were repeated from the Language Academy material and all this, but still I don't know where am I going wrong every time. Like it was like once if I miss with 1 mark in reading, then if I crack reading test, then I'll get miss with 1 mark or 2 marks in listening. I felt like will I make this test, like will I come over this test or not? But especially like the words which Varun sir said to me, in order to keep concentrated, and even if you lose with 1 or 2 marks, doesn't matter, you just keep giving attempts, it will definitely improve your score. And all these words helped me a lot, and seriously, yeah. Varun sir is really a motivator.
That's right.
He's a good mentor.
Being very honest, your story isn't about our guidance, but it's more about your hard work and your strength. That yes, your mental strength, this is one example, guys. You need to have very strong mental strength. You need to be mentally strong if you're sitting for PT, because it's more of your performance test. I remember, guys, I remember once you went for the exam, and few hours before your exam you gave me a call that Varun, I have heard or I have watched a video that everything in PT is changed, right? And that time you lost your confidence as well.
Yes.
Right? But being honest, using the same strategies, we have got the score this time, right? Yep. So guys, it's more of your confidence. Don't just believe anything. Please believe in your mentors. Whoever your mentor is, please trust him blindly, follow him, and you'll get your score, guys. It's more of your performance test, not your English test. Yes, you need English, but yes, if you're not able to concentrate properly, you are going to create a lot of problems for yourself. Thejeswar, let's talk about your listening and reading. We won't really talk much about that, but any advice for students who are struggling, especially in listening and reading, like you were once? Any advice for them? What should they focus on?
Especially for listening, if you are lacking in listening skills, please focus on repeat sentences and summarize spoken text. That's where you get more marks from. And read a lecture as well, and follow the templates which Language Academy provided for you. Please follow them and implement them accurately in the test, so that definitely if you won't do any mistakes from your end, PT won't deduct the marks. Like you heard all these rumors, right? Like they will just stop you at 1 or 2 marks and all this. Don't listen to them. Just follow your words and try to copy the keywords from the audio and just put them without any spelling mistakes and all this. You will definitely crack your test. It's not like nothing.
That's right, guys. Believe in yourself. That's the point. If you you get a lot of rumors, or your friends will tell you a number of things that they will stop your PT, won't really give you the score just because they want to make money out of you. it's not the thing. If you are giving something right to the computer will get you the score. So please believe in yourself and focus on what the computer needs, and you hit the right areas. That's it, guys. I'm very proud of you, Thejeswar. Well done once again. Guys, please do not give up. Do not give up. It was a very long journey for him, and he did not give up. He was missing by 1 or 2 points, and there were times, I'm being very honest, I literally lost hope. I wasn't really sure what to do, and same was the case with you as well. But he kept on going, and this is one thing you should be proud of always, and I'll be proud of always as well. Thanks, guys. All the very best. Keep on practicing. I'll see you very soon. Thanks, guys.